I mean, you can think of these models as like magic, and they'll pull out of the ether who's the best candidate. And I don't see them that way. What it is good at is taking data and information and organizing it for you. There's, like I said, there's lots of things that it's good at, and there's equal amount of things that it's not very good at. Part of this experimentation option is really just finding out where that line is, and that line's going to change. I mean, if you imagine billions and billions of requests are being made of this particular model, I think probably every day or every week or every month, and all of that is being used to kind of train the models. Subsequently, calls you make via the APIs are not used. So just keep that in mind when you type anything in Chat GPT. The product Chat GPT, they use everything you put in there. So don't be copying your own stuff in there. Everything you hit from the API side, there's a zero retention policy. They actually also have endpoints that have zero retention. Everything else, maybe I think is 30 days, but you can make decisions as you start to plug and play with different models.